The PP60N universal drill and tap grinder is ideal for sharpening drill bits, step drills, center guide points, taps, countersinks, mills, round bars. Just about any cutting tool there is. The grinding wheel motor height is hand adjustable. About grinding wheel regulating hand wheel. Grinding wheel around regulating hand wheel. Fully adjustable tool positioning. Trailing edge adjustment lever. Cams are interchangeable. Rotational grinding of taps and countersinks. Especially adapted for simultaneous sway and grinding action. Grind angle securing clamp. Mounting and dismounting abrasive wheels. Diamond dresser grinding wheel reshaper. Tapered shank tool loading sleeve. Cutting edge leveling gauge. Sharpening cutting edges. Back and forth feeding action and a rotating chuck work together in sharpening. Lowering the wheel to grind trailing edges. Pockets up to 12 tools for simultaneous sharpening. Sharpening the first center guide point. Sharpening the second center guide point. Grinding step flute bits requires cam number 6. Grinding taps requires the number 9 cam for 3 fluted taps, and for 4 fluted taps, the number 8 cam is required. For countersink bits with 1 flute, the A2 cam is required. From 1 to 12 mils can be indexed for simultaneous sharpening. From 1 to 12 mils can be indexed for simultaneous sharpening trailing edges. From 1 to 12 mils can be indexed for simultaneous sharpening center guide points. PP25 Professional Milling Tool Grinder. When preparing to sharpen a mill, first insert it into the collet holder and secure. Adjust the swivel base to the desired grinding angle and fix the shank horizontally. Controlling the grinding wheel with the feed dial, sharpen the first cutting edge. To sharpen the second cutting edge, readjust the shank to an ascending 10-degree angle. Controlling the grinding wheel with the feed dial, sharpen the cutting edge. Now rotate the collet holder 180 degrees and fix in place. Controlling the grinding wheel with the feed dial, sharpen the second cutting edge. Now loosen off the collet holder clamp screw. Allow the slide to move all the way forward and tighten the screw once again. Now you can sharpen the center guide point bevels. Controlling the grinding wheel with the feed dial, rotate the collet holder 180 degrees between sharpening opposite bevels. Now loosen the base and adjust to 90 degrees. Make sure the shank is level at 0 degrees and clamp in place. Loosen off the slide stop and fix in the rearmost position. Extend the flute guide and fix in place. Now you're ready to sharpen the flute edges. First, adjust the tip of the flute guide to be level with the flute. As you use the collet holder feed dial, the stone will grind the flute edges evenly. This is mode PP50, options 50B, 50D, 50E, and 50K, Universal Tool Grinder. Capable of duplicating the functions of various machines and accessories, this grinding center can perform all tool sharpening tasks. Cutting tool positioning system, aiming the arrow at the green slot guarantees setup. The number 4 cam allows for swivel tilt grinding. Fixed grinding for various applications. 3 fluted taps require the number 9 cam. 4 fluted taps require the number 8 cam. Left and right precision feed. Aiming at the green slot for step flute bits, the number 6 cam is required. Adjustment for flute relief angles. For deburring bit grinding, the A2 cam 50B is required. For indexed mill grinding, no cam is necessary. Slant edge mill grinding, two-handed operation. Mill cutting edge indexed grinding.